When starting a healthcare practice, a lot of our clients ask us if they should use templates or sample intake policies and procedures. Hi, I'm Connor Jackson, attorney from Jackson LLP Healthcare Lawyers. Generally, using templates and other forms from a lot of times they'll come from electronic medical records or other places, maybe from other practices. Generally, that's not a good idea to use those in your own practice unless they've been vetted first. And I'll tell you why. First, laws in each state are different. Healthcare laws come from federal law, state law, and insurance regulations. Every state's got their own laws and regulations that can impact the provision of your medical services. That also means that the policies and procedures are going to need to reflect those states' laws. When you go to an EMR and use one of their templates, they're using those same templates. Many of them, especially the large ones, operate in all 50 states, and they don't differentiate between the profession. So whether you're a physician or you're a psychologist or you're a physical therapist, they're going to probably have the same templates that they're going to be giving to everyone. And depending on what state you're operating in, some states are going to have limitations on and requirements. For example, New York has been aggressively pushing a law that will limit how credit cards can be stored for future payment. Other states like California require specific disclosures in their intake policies and procedures about how to make a complaint and otherwise. The other element is the business elements, and you as a practice owner are going to want to put things in your intake policies and procedures that are best for your practice. Maybe you have a generous cancellation policy, or maybe not, depending on the circumstances. Maybe you take insurance for the medical services, and maybe you don't. These all need to be spelled out clearly and consistent with the laws in which you're operating. And using templates typically don't cover, well, they can't, it's impossible for them to cover everybody in every situation in every state.
For more tips with staying compliant, subscribe to our YouTube channel.